Hello, I'm Stefan. I'm working at the EDA Group, one of the largest engineering providers in the world.
My name is Michael Haumann. I'm the Executive Officer at APRA Europe. APRA Europe is a non-profit association where we are representing the interests of the whole automotive remanufacturing industry.
Novellini wish to improve the life of everyone. We love the excellence and the fine workmanship.
At Tecnalia, a vast research center located in the north of Spain, circular economy is one of the most important research lines we are working in.
So HEAD is an emotional sporting goods brand there, and we have very strong passion towards circular economy there.
At Tampere University, sustainability is a very important factor in all research. It's also one of the key driving forces for our research group.
Sustainability of the materials and production processes. This was one of the reasons why we participated in the FiberEUse project.
At APRA Europe, we believe that remanufacturing is the most sustainable business model and therefore is a crucial part of the circular economy.
FiberEUse actually started 20 years ago working on sustainability, let's say, and circular economy as well. And so it's strategic for my company, that's for sure. FiberEUse actually gave us a boost after 20 years of working on this. So the importance, I would say, is really very, very high and strategic.
This is the occasion to show our effort to reach more sustainable production and to support the circular economy.
In CNR, we have a multidisciplinary, holistic approach to circular economy, which is enabled not only by our technologies, but also business model perspective. We have various enabling technologies such as digital factory, simulation, automation, robotics, and so on.
At Politecnico, since years, we are running a series of courses about the circular economy.
During this project, I've been working at PULab, the 3D printing lab at the Department of Chemistry, Materials and Chemical Engineering Giulianatta of Politecnico di Milano. Our research activity focuses on the development of new materials, additive manufacturing technologies and applications.
Circular economy in our institution, the Politecnico of Milan, is gaining more and more interest. As an example, we are leading a lot of different projects on this topic, both European and national.
The transition to circular economy is providing the opportunity to decouple growth from the consumption of virgin resources. So in the FiberEUse project, we follow this vision and we implemented innovative solutions for making this vision true.
A project which is caring about the reuse of one of the hardest materials to reuse and recycle, it's composites.
For us, it's very important to try to find solutions for waste material, looking for find another life for this kind of materials in new applications. FiberEUse project has been an example of that, working with waste material, commonly treated, and produce new material for new parts in different sectors.
Our role in the FiberEUse project has been on surface treatments of reinforcing fibers. In composite material, the reinforcing fibers and the matrix, which is polymer, must be well adhered to each other. And it has been a great opportunity for us to demonstrate how we can affect on more sustainable materials by good scientific work and to achieve good quality materials and composites from recycled raw materials.
Here I have reported different kind of recycled material. All these different fractions have been obtained from the same starting waste that was a wind blades. The important thing is that all of these different fraction has a different dimension, and the dimension influences the final properties of the products, and the optimization of the mechanical process is fundamental to obtain this target fraction, not only at technical level but also at cost level, to have a process that is functional but also that is sustainable at economical scale for the industries.
To obtain the recycled fibers, we use a pyrolysis process, that is a thermal process to obtain glass fibers and also carbon fibers. After we obtain the recycled fibers, we mix with plastic in a compounding process to obtain a reinforced plastic with recycled fibers.
For Design Austria as project partner in FiberEUse, a key to a successful circular economy is including design and designers in that process. Circular economy can only be successful with circular design products.
My name is Martina Hatzenbichler and I'm an architect and designer from Vienna. My part of the exhibition is a wine cooler. A wine cooler you can put on the table and put some water in it and cool the wine. But due to its special shape, the wine cooler is a modular object that can become more than a wine cooler. It can become a wine shelf, it can become a wine bar, it can even become a wine architecture when put together to a wall.
All'interno del progetto di FiberEUse, come designer, mi sono affiancato a Rivierasca per sviluppare il prodotto con un'attenzione particolare al settore arredo e seguire poi lo sviluppo dei progetti dei designer austriaci per trasformarli in qualcosa di concreto.
I think that the participation of FiberEUse to the Milan Design Week is relevant for three main reasons. The first one is not obvious and is not so common that a research project ends up with results that are and can be presented to a wide variety of stakeholders in such a big and large-scale event. The second reason, in my view, is the fact that with the concept of the exhibition itself that Matteo Rigoni and Rigoni Steiner Studio designed with the help of the FiberEUse partners, we give the concept of a circular exhibition. That is basically the material used for the installation is not ending up in waste after the week of the Design Week, but it will be reprocessed for giving life to new products integrating these materials. And the last and very important reason for being a unique event, participation of FiberEUse in the Fuori Salone, is the fact that all participants or attendees can really appreciate the properties of the material, not in, let's say, prototypal applications and not in a very preliminary form, but embedded in products that are very close to the market. And the big challenge now, after the end of FiberEUse, would be to find the solutions for increasing the market, opening the market of these products, and then the consumers will play a very important role in buying and accepting and using and providing back to the collection system these products after the use life.
Participating here in the Fuori Salone and the Milano Design Week is actually a sort of closing the circular. I mean, we are working so hard trying to find solution for real business, for pieces that you can buy, you can sell, and this is the right place where to present our result. And also because we are dealing with the design, but not only, also industrial application. So Fuori Salone is the right place where to announce what we did for 4 years.
Sono Silvia Ciaccio, un'artista milanese e presento in questo progetto un'opera d'arte realizzata su una lastra di composito, di fibra di vetro e resina. Oggi direi che in quasi tutti i campi della ricerca si pensa a soluzioni sostenibili per il nostro futuro e direi che anche l'arte, che è sempre figlia del suo tempo, non può sottrarsi a questa necessità.
And with FiberEUse we have really made a game-changing effect because we have been for the first time possible to incorporate recycled materials in our hardware, in our ski, to reinforce something for safety.
I believe that the FiberEUse project is a game changer even to our industry, because for the very first time it was able for our project consortium to develop products made of fiber reinforced plastics that can even be remanufactured at the end of their life.
It's clear that if a project doesn't bring you to exploit the result, it doesn't make a lot of sense, but FiberEUse succeed in this. So we are so close to make real business that makes a really big innovation and a game changer.
In my view, FiberEUse is a game changer because within the FiberEUse project we proved that this material can add value to the product, and the production of the prototypes that we presented in this exhibition have a business case which is positive for the companies that are and will put on the market these products. In this sense, it's a game changer. So circular economy is not only good for the environment, is not only reducing the footprint of production processes, but can be also economic opportunity for the companies and can be related to a positive business case. And this is true for all the prototypes that we showcase in this exhibition.